Hello and namaskar to all my joyful and beautiful companion of one world. Hopefully you all are good and doing great in your life. You know, the biggest disease or the biggest problem human being is before doing anything is what people going to say. Before doing anything, we just say what people going to say. You know, if you try to do anything in life by people's validation, then believe me, you will not can do anything meaningful or significant in your life. This is a precious life. This is not everlasting life. So you must invest this life something that if you look back 20, 30 or 40 years down the line, then when you look back, then still that must be worthwhile to you. Don't do something for just people's sake of appreciation or people's sake of validation. People say all kind of weird things, and they say according to the best of their perception and their perspective. You do according to your best. This is not everlasting life. We are here in this universe just for a little amount of time, and we will be dead for a long amount of time. So do what is matter for you and what is needed to do in this world right now. Not many people, I say 99% of people not strive hard, because of fear of failure, because of identifying with the result. They think if I do, what can happen? Then they identify with the problem. If just simply they're not getting identified with the problem or just 100% strive forward, then they can be a totally different life, and all human being can live wonderful and phenomenally well. Because most of the human being in their life, they just fear of getting what happened, and most of the time what they fear about, that most of the time that not happen. See the life of the people who are doing something significant in their life. They just don't further wait for the people's appreciation. When they start their life, people say all kind of rubbish things in their you, but they just don't stop. They just doing. In fact, if you active more in the world, if you do more significant thing, people will do any kind of garbage or rubbish against you. But still, if your heart is full of love and mind is full of joy, then you just go out in the world and do what is needed. So please don't bother people will what people say. People just say, even later they still not bother, they just passing the comment. You have to think about your life, what is most important, what is most important for you, what is most important around the you, and what is most important around the world. So that's it. Just do what is best according to your own perception, according to your own vision. Just do it, make it in the world, and go out in the world. It is not like that if you want to do something significant and people will not say against anything against you. In fact, if you do more significant thing, people will turn more against you. So this is what it is. Just do it. Life is very, very, very short. Believe me. If you think that you are going to be immortal, no, this is a mortal life. You will just live a few years, just like a pop up and pop down. This is just few. We are mortal. If you term sweet your mortality, if you remind that you are going to be dead one day, believe me, you will invest only your life what is significant for you, what is most important for you. So just do it. Don't wait for the people's appreciation, validation, justification, all this kind of rubbish things. Just do it according to your own best perception and what is best for the world, what is needed for the world right now. So that's it from today's video. Hope you love this. Thank you so very much. Love you all and blessed life.